In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Miro and make the most out of this incredible visual workspace designed for innovation. Miro is a powerful tool that can help you organize ideas, collaborate with your team, and streamline your projects. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, this guide will take you through a seamless journey, ensuring you can navigate Miro with confidence and ease. First, let's start by heading over to the Miro login page. Open your web browser and go to the Miro website. Once you're there, look for the Sign In option. This is your gateway to a world of visual collaboration. Log in with your credentials and you'll land in Miro's familiar environment, ready to kick off some fantastic work. If you're new to Miro, take a moment to explore the homepage where you'll find all your recent projects and boards in one place. Now that you're logged in, our next step is to select an existing project. Once you're on your dashboard, you'll see an array of your past and ongoing projects laid out in front of you. It's like a vibrant canvas displaying your creative journey. Simply click on the project you wish to work on. This allows you to dive back into your work instantly, right where you left off, with all your previous edits and thoughts intact. Once you're within the project, you'll likely have multiple boards and items you're working with. To maximize productivity, knowing how to efficiently select items is key. Within your open board, take your cursor and click on one of your items. If you're looking to select multiple items at once, simply click and drag your cursor over the items you wish to select. It's a bit like drawing a selection box around your elements. For moments when you need to select everything on your board, there's a handy shortcut. By pressing Ctrl+A, you can instantly select all items on the board. This is particularly useful when you need a broad overview or intend to move everything en masse. Throughout your journey, Miro provides tips, hints, and shortcuts to enhance your efficiency. Don't hesitate to explore these features as you become more comfortable with the platform. The more you practice, the more intuitive Miro will become, transforming not only the way you manage your projects, but enhancing team collaboration as well. And there you have it, a concise and practical guide to get you started on Miro. Remember, whether you're organizing thoughts, planning projects, or collaborating with teammates, Miro is your creative playground. Thank you for watching and happy collaborating on Miro.